We're dropping the gas tank on this second generation Saab 9.3. Already started here. As you can tell, we're in the rear, before your rear tires. We've got this bolt that we just took out. It's a 13 millimeter. There's actually this piece of metal clip here that holds in this connector here. So you're going to need to remove the connector so that you can get to this bolt. And then you'll need to take out this bolt. I'm sorry this is so close, but... And then there's a bolt here. And right there that holds up the other strap. So after you've taken those bolts out, the gas tank will pretty much fall down. So you want to have a jack or something under here. This is your filler neck right here. So you'll need to unclamp this and remove that hose. All right, we got our tank down. We're over on the passenger side. Right up here are your fuel lines. So you can see right here, there's a little kind of clip. I already have it pulled out of here, but you're just supposed to pull those out and then you can wiggle and pull these off. So you need to disconnect those. You'll need to pull out this red clip so you can unattach this connector. And then there's also another one of these, same type of fitting as this right here. You're gonna unattach that, and then this one right here. So you've got 4 total of these kind of clips to undo, and then you should be able to pull your gas tank out. All right, and there you have your gas tank out of your 9.3. To get your fuel pump out of the tank now, you'll need to undo a few clips here. Oh, that's gonna have a red one there. Clearly had a mouse here. So we're just gonna basically push this red clip over. There we go. And then we can pull that connector off. All right, and your fuel pump is right in here. So what we need to do is twist this to get it unlocked. So what you do, take like a chisel or a screwdriver, put it right here, bang a hammer right here, and this will come untwisted. All right, once you've got this off, you can lift your fuel pump right out of there, replace it. It's kind of a pain to get out because you still have to take all these hoses off and stuff, but all right, the way that you get these clips undone is by basically, here's one that's already taken off, and you can see there's little clips in here that need to be pushed out, and then you can pull this off. So like this one here, see the back end here? You can just take like a screwdriver or something and basically pull these out and kind of wiggle it off while you're pulling those out, and then you can pull these off. And then you can just push them back on. They snap on, stay on like that. Or you can get a set of these things. These only work in ideal situations because you need to be able to have enough room to get this thing on here. Oops, sorry. You need to have enough room to be able to get this on here, and some of these spots you can't. So when you're unhooking the fuel lines, that these ones right here that connect to the steel fuel lines, you might be able to use one of these guys. Otherwise, you know, you're just going to basically have to get in here like this, pull this out, like pull the clip out while you're pulling out on the clip, and just work it back and forth, doing each side until you're able to pull it off. You get the idea from here. After this, you just put it back together the way you took it apart. If this video was helpful, you just smash that thumbs up button. Really helps me out a lot. And have a good one.